So this is the Zafira Tourer Concept, and obviously from a design perspective it's really just evolving where we've been with Insignia and taking it to the next level. And for a monocab, what we've tried to get is this very, very sleek, dynamic profile, but still get as much sculptural design shape in the body side as possible. So you can see all of the lines and sculptural work is really done to stretch out the graphics of the car, almost making it look lower and longer than it really is. It's still a very spacious car, very functional, but we wanted to add that air of quality and premium feeling. On the inside of this vehicle, we've talked about the fact that this is a very strong indication of where the production Zafira is going to go, and again I think it exudes this quality that we started imposing in many of our other cars recently. You know, use of strong graphics, simple but dynamic shapes, high quality materials, very consistent with what we're trying to say about Opel going forward. But I guess the clever message on this car, not only do we have an evolution of the development on the center console like Geneva, but we have some innovative seating configuration here where we go from 7-seat to what we call this lounge seating, where the middle seat actually becomes an armrest, the side seats go back. That gives you a lot of space here, so you can have a very relaxed, great spacious environment, and then at the flick of a couple of buttons you can put this back into a very clean 7-seater configuration. This whole center console is made up of different layers with an open lid storage at the rear here. This can slide back to give you cup holders. This layer of cup holders also then gives you a large hidden storage area that goes under where the gear shifter is here. So again, not just utilizing the space, but doing it in a layered, very effective manner that makes it very efficient and unique in the marketplace. But this is like our next step on from what we introduced on the Geneva. It sort of shows how we want to portray this versatility in our cars.
And can we just come around to the front and talk a little bit about the DRG, because obviously it's got this kind of the blade sort of wrapping down light on, which has caught a lot of people's attention, and you're doing that on the Ampera, which we can see there. But these are the first two production cars that have kind of seen this. Is this the future of Opel's downward graphic?
I mean, we're going to evolve. I'm not going to fix the graphic of all of our cars to be the Russian dolls effect. We're going to have a little bit of variation and personality and character coming through on the individual cars, but there will be some consistency also, so it's finding that right sweet spot. In this particular case, what was important for me was the fact that on monocab vehicles, where you're trying to define great interior space, it really limits what you can do on the outside. You have less room for maneuver than, say, the GTC, for example. So having bold graphic elements was very important. So using this boomerang headlamp, but again with the consistent wing signature that we've shown on our other cars, was very important to get, as I said, almost like this very bullet train type character to the front of the car. So it really looks very sleek and dynamic.